sir.
That is the reason. And day-night difference, and I write one number here and one number there, and people are not responding to calls also sometimes. That's the reason.
Okay.
No, no
Okay, sir.
problem.
It's
Now
okay. No
let's come
problem.
to IT. Which date is your
Yes.
interview? Third.
Sir, March 3rd, 8:30 a.m.
Very good. So please tell about yourself briefly.
Sir, I am Arpita. I am from cultural city called as Mysore, Karnataka.
Super.
I completed my Master of Technology in the stream of Computer Engineering from Sri Jai Chamrendra College of Engineering, Mysore. Sir, coming to my family background, mother is the homemaker and father is a shopkeeper. And I recently married, and I am staying in Mysore and preparing for banking exams, sir.
What is your husband doing?
Sir, he is a engineer, sir, electrical engineer.
Oh, good.
Sir, already we talked over the phone around 3 times.
I know, but I don't remember. That is the basic.
Yeah. It's okay, sir. Because you are contacted with
so many people, and I forget after talking. But
it's
somehow I am
okay,
able to
sir.
correlate. I am able to correlate. No problem. So, which
Yes,
subject?
sir. Okay, sir.
Which subject you liked very much while studying in school or college?
Sir, networking.
Acha, networking. Can you tell me something about networking?
Sir, networking is nothing but a connection of computer systems or devices over the internet. We can transfer informations via internet. And coming to banking technology, sir, can I relate to banking?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Can I relate it to
No.
banking? There are so many.
Have you seen the list of questions given by me in Telegram?
Yes, sir. I saw.
Yes,
I saw, sir.
yesterday or day before yesterday, I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yesterday you already you sent via WhatsApp, Telegram, sir.
Acha. Correct. Tell me about networking. How do you correlate networking in banking?
Sir, networking is nothing. When comes to banking sector, the network is very useful. For example, core banking solution. This is one of the centralized system where all the data are connected, interlinked, where the customer can make financial transactions anywhere, and there are
No. Core banking. Listen. Core banking solution means linking of all branches of one bank with the main server.
yes, sir.
What is the expansion for core? Centralized online?
Centralized online,
Some
real time.
real time? No. CORE, there is some expansion for that. Centralized online realistic exchange or something like that. 1 minute. They can ask you this question. What is CORE?
Centralized online real-time exchange.
See. Good. You know it. Correct. Good. So that is about
Centralized online.
networking in branches and other things. Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
I will ask questions, you answer me. What is
Yes, sir.
DHCP?
Sir, DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol.
Very good. What is RA? What is RARP?
Sir, RARP, remote. Sir, once again, reverse address resolution protocol. It is converting MAC address to IP address.
What is ARP?
Address resolution protocol. It converts IP address to MAC address.
What is ICMP?
ICMP, internet computer network protocol, sir.
No, MP. ICMP.
Internet. Internet. Sir, one second.
Are you before
ICMP
computer?
stands.
If you are before computer, you can see that and tell me nothing wrong. ICMP.
No, sir.
No, you don't.
Internet
Control message
control
protocol.
Message protocol. Yes, sir. It is one of the protocol.
Internet control
message protocol.
Good, very good. You told that correctly. Now, this one I could not get the answer yesterday. What is FATCA? FATCA.
Sir, I also read it is out of the box
related. It is not some. I don't think it is related to computer science. No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yesterday you told to one of the students.
Yeah.
And that is different apart from.
Yeah. What is FRMB Act? FRMB Act. That is also something different.
Yeah, sir. That is different. Starting 3 to 4, 5 to 6 questions are different.
Correct. 1 to 6 are different. Now only 7.
Yes, sir.
What is CAPTCHA? CAPTCHA.
Sir, CAPTCHA is nothing but a combination of numericals and alphabets. It is used to identify whether user is a human or a robot, sir. It is meant for security purpose.
Very good. Can you explain what is supernetting?
Supernetting. Sir, supernetting is nothing but a network where two or more networks are combined into a single network, sir.
Very good. What are the different computer languages you have studied?
Sir, computer languages C, C++, Java.
Good.
And yes, sir, there are so many Pythons.
But what you have studied?
C, C++, and Java.
Acha. Java is used for which purposes in banking?
Sir, Java is mainly used for softwares we're using in banking sector. For example, TCS, Bank CS, and Infosys software called as Finacle and FlexCube. All these softwares are used Java programming language, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Java. Very good. You told correctly. Can you tell me what is DNS?
Domain name servers.
What is spamming?
Spamming.
SPAMMING. Spamming.
Sir, spamming is nothing but some of spam. Sir, it is an
unwanted message.
Unknown data and
unwanted messages from unknown addresses.
Yes, sir. It is an unwanted message from the unwanted person.
Yeah.
It is located in a separate folder in Gmail, sir.
Correct. I think you are very fond of the words nothing but.
Nothing but.
You know how many times you used in the last 5 minutes? Minimum 6 times. Nothing but. For everything you will say, how is your husband? My husband is nothing but.
Sorry, sir. I will
avoid it.
I will avoid this.
You have to be because the word nothing but means what? See, it's very simple. Why are you asking like this? And or it is nothing very severe like that. It signifies. Anyhow, that's not an issue. But we should never use.
Sir.
We should never use the same word again and again.
I will avoid it, sir.
Yeah. What is role-based access control?
Sorry, sir, I don't know.
They have
I'm
given
not aware.
role-based access control. 1 minute. The question is there in this. 1 minute. These fellows, when we are talking about spamming, here some guys are spamming the YouTube also. Google.com. I'll search it. It may be simple. It may not be a tough one for you, but
Yes, sir.
you may not remember it. What is
Yes,
role-based access control? Role-based access control is better model for authorization management.
Okay, sir.
A real-time hybrid model that retains the advantages of each while avoiding, like that is permitting somebody into the into the system or into the what is that network.
Yes,
What
sir.
is default role of the role-based access control? Role-based access control is the model and practice of restricting network access. Very important. Network access based on the roles of individual users across the enterprise. RBAC allows users to be assigned temporary access on specific data or programs. What is an example of RBAC? Common example of RBAC include software engineering role has access to GCP, AWS, and GitHub. What is that? GCP, AWS? You know that?
No, sir.
So I suggest you go to google.com and make a search.
Sir.
Please note down what is access based role control RBAC.
Okay, sir.
You search like that. Below that, you are getting lot of questions and that may help you.
Okay, sir.
Good. I can be going on asking questions like this, but now, why should we select you?
Sir, I am a computer engineer. I am a computer engineer where banking sector has a special. Hello, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, every banking sector has a special department called as IT department. As an engineer, I keep myself up to date with the new technologies. Nowadays, banking sector adopting new technologies. And banking products such as mobile banking, net banking, ATM and debit card management, all these fields requires engineers. As an engineer, I contribute there and solving the hardware and software technical issues. And we can, as an engineer, we can manage the database user account database, customer database, and we can regularly checking the software, any updated software, any old version software, and we can update with the newer versions, and we can keep track of the networking operations, and
that's okay.
So in all these fields,
no, that is okay. One thing they can ask you is that why did you not work in an IT company so far?
Sir, I did MTech for the purpose of teaching, and after I completed my MTech in 2018, and I searched for a job, and everywhere they asked for experience. So I don't have experience. As a fresher, I went for interview. So in that time, COVID also started. So I started where my engineering helps in. So I looking forward, and I thought banking sector is one of the field where I can contribute my academic skills. So I started preparing towards banking sector.
Are you applying for insurance also?
Yes, sir. I shortlisted for LIC AAO mains, and I wrote, but finally I didn't selected for interview, sir.
Interview result has, Mains result has come.
Yes, sir. Come. I didn't.
When was it?
selected.
When was it announced?
Sir, almost January.
Oh, long back.
During the notification, they said 220 vacancies are there. At the time of mains exam result, they took only 19 members, sir. So I don't know why, sir. Maybe high cutoff. Maybe there is a section. There is a sectional cutoff for each and every section.
So people
might not qualified.
Yeah, people might not have scored much.
Yes, sir. That is the main thing.
Good. Or they might have had some more people under general AAO itself suitable for this. I don't know what is the thing they are doing. They might have transferred from general AAO to specialist section also.
I don't know that.
Yeah, okay, very good. Doesn't matter. Good. Now, how keen are you about getting success in this interview?
Sir, pardon?
How keen are you about getting success in this interview?
Sir,
you should say I am 100% keen.
100% confident.
100% confident, 100% keen. I am very particular about getting a success because that will be a breakthrough for me. Now, then they can ask you questions to tease you. Being a lady, they can ask you, how will you manage if the account is if the post is transferable anywhere in the country? How will your family support you? You should tell my in-laws family, my parents' family will support me.
Yes, sir.
And my husband is also very helpful and he is very accommodative. Like that, you should tell very good words about that confidently.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now tell me about Mysore. Mysore, who is the MP in Mysore?
Sir, MP.
Member of Parliament. You don't know?
Sir, no, sir.
Please check it up. Mysore MP, Mysore MLA. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Also, union ministers from Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Mysore people in Karnataka cabinet.
Sir, Pratap Singh is a MLA in Mysore.
Yeah. No, whatever it is, you try to know these details also.
Okay, sir.
Also know what are the companies having office in Mysore, Infosys, whatever it is.
Infosys, yes, sir.
Details you please get to know that. That will be helpful for you. Very good. Sir. What are your hobbies?
Sir, hobbies, sir, I am very much interested in craft making. Using pista shells. I made a craft and presented to my sister birthday. And I am a habit of craft making and I am interested in cooking, sir.
Very good. Cooking, they can ask you which dish you can make very well, who taught you cooking, who are the famous cooks in your area, and which cooking programs do you watch, which channels do you watch, they can ask you.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Prepare yourself well. You can do well. Best wishes. Any questions?
Sir, while interview, if you're going towards banking sector means why you pursued your PG, sir? What is the answer for that?
No. PG. When did you join? 1 year afterwards.
No. Immediately.
At that time, I thought it will help me improve my chances in career growth.
Yes, sir.
That is why I joined. But end lo emi ledu. In the end, of course, what is happening in economy, nobody can guess.
Yes, sir.
What is happening today is different. What is happening in Russia?
Sir, Russia. recently Russia and Ukraine was started,
Hmm.
and
Who will
European
who will succeed? Who will succeed?
sir, the war is already going on. Whether USA and the European Union or Russia will take among Russia and USA and European Union who take Ukraine is not already is not yet decided. The war is continuously growing, but it impacts on Indian economy, especially related. First of all, shall I continue? That's it.
Tell me.
Sir, it depends on crude. It impacts on crude oil, sir. Recently, the crude oil prices increased to $100, and around 50,000 students are in Ukraine studying studying medical and engineering. Due to this war, they are stuck in the Ukraine itself, and there is a loss in the there is a chances of inflation in the Indian economy, and also there is a current account. One second, sir. There is a decrement in the current account deficit, and there is a chances of unemployment in the Indian economy.
Anyhow, correct.
There may be chances of increasing the petrol and diesel in the coming days. Maybe chances of higher. There is a huge impact on industrial.
Very good. Correct. Whatever you are telling is right. But you have not answered my question. Who will succeed?
Sir, the war is continuously going. Russia, almost.
The answer for this is it cannot be said. We cannot guess who is going to win.
We can't guess.
Nothing can be guessed.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes, success.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye. This time you must score 70 plus in interview.
Okay, sir. Out of 10, how much you will give me, sir?
Now I am giving you 8.5. That is okay.
Okay, sir.
But whether they will give, I don't know. But you must score minimum 70, 75 there.
Yes, sir.
Talk with confidence. You can do it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Sir, one thing I have to ask.
Yeah. You want it to be recorded, not recorded?
No, sir. Apple phone no recording.
Acha, theek hai. I will stop it. Now tell me.